For the next half hour or so, we're going to be looking at the portal for Mid-Michigan Community College and Moodle, which is our learning management system. The portal is your entryway to everything Mid. All of your account stuff is in there. So the first thing we're going to do is get you to be able to log in to the portal. Now when you go to a computer lab, I want you to notice that there you log into the computer just using guest as the username with no password, because you're not actually logging in, you're just logging in as a guest. That way you don't have to shut the computer off when you're done or log back out, you can just leave it running. But when you want to get to your materials, you'll need to go to midmich.edu. So on your iPad right now, I'd like you to do that. Go to the URL and type in midmich.edu. And when you come to the home page, you're going to click over here on Portal up in the top right. And that will take you to the generic portal. And then you'll see again over here on the top right is the login. So you'll click on Login. Now from here is where you'll put your username and password. But first, we need to look up the username and password. So what I want you to do is, you'll notice down here it says Account Setup. Go ahead and click on that link. It asks for your username, your MID number, and so forth. At this point, you don't know your username, so we're going to jump through one more hoop. Now remember, you won't have to do this every time, but it's what you are going to do today just to get your account set up. So click on this Look Them Up Online tab. And here, you type in your last name and then your MID ID number. And you can find your MID ID number on your agenda for the day. It's a 7-digit number that starts with a 0. So when you type those in and then hit Submit, that will take you to your account, your username. It'll show you what that is. So go ahead and do that next. Once you have your username, go back up to the tab up here, this Account Setup tab, and click on that to take us back here. Here you'll type in your username, your ID number, your birth date, which even though it'll allow you to do just a single digit, it's got to be 2 digits. So this would have to be a 01. So it's got to be 2 digits for the month, for the day, and 4 for the year. Then put in your password and repeat it. The best password is like a 3-word phrase, maybe capital letters in there, exclamation mark, things like that. Something that you can remember, but that'll be hard for somebody to crack. You don't want to just use a 1-word phrase or 1 word in there because that's easy for them to crack. Then when you're done, you'll hit Continue. Now that you have your username and password, I'd like you to go back to the URL and go back to midmich.edu. We're going to log into your portal the way that you normally would. So from here, you click on Portal, then you click on Login, and then you enter your information. Then this will bring you into your portal. So you'll see you have you're logged in here and so forth. One thing you want to note, over here where it was log in before, now it says log out. So now you are logged in. So if you're on a public computer, when you're done, you want to make sure you log out because all of your information here is exposed for people. So you don't want to walk away from your computer when you're logged in like this. In the next video, I'm going to go through what's in your portal and how to access different things.